LittleGems123Tv.
Let's learn some common household chores with simple sentences.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I mop the kitchen.
I mop the kitchen.
I fold the clothes.
I fold the clothes.
I dust the furniture.
I dust the furniture.
I clean the windows.
I clean the windows.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I make the bed.
I make the bed.
I wipe the table.
I wipe the table.
I cook the food.
I cook the food.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I wash the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I put away the dishes.
I put away the dishes.
I organize the shelves.
I organize the shelves.
I tidy up the room.
I tidy up the room.
I vacuum the carpet.
I vacuum the carpet.
I clean the bathroom.
I clean the bathroom.
I scrub the sink.
I scrub the sink.
I wash my clothes by hand.
I wash my clothes by hand.
I hang the clothes to dry.
I hang the clothes to dry.
I iron the clothes.
I iron the clothes.
I fold the towels.
I fold the towels.
I put away my shoes.
I put away my shoes.
I wipe the kitchen counter.
I wipe the kitchen counter.
I throw away the garbage.
I throw away the garbage.
I refill the water bottles.
I refill the water bottles.
I wash the fruits.
I wash the fruits.
I pack the lunch.
I pack the lunch.
I feed the pet.
I feed the pet.
I clean the pet's bowl.
I clean the pet's bowl.
I change the bedsheet.
I change the bedsheet.
I fluff the pillows.
I fluff the pillows.
I sweep the balcony.
I sweep the balcony.
I sort the laundry.
I sort the laundry.
I replace the toilet paper.
I replace the toilet paper.
I clean the mirror.
I clean the mirror.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I arrange the books.
I arrange the books.
I pick up the toys.
I pick up the toys.
I wipe the TV screen.
I wipe the TV screen.
I change the curtains.
I change the curtains.
I check the grocery list.
I check the grocery list.
I restock the pantry.
I restock the pantry.
I clean the fridge.
I clean the fridge.
I rinse the cups.
I rinse the cups.
I shake the rugs.
I shake the rugs.
I air out the room.
I air out the room.
I help prepare dinner.
I help prepare dinner.
I make tea for my family.
I make tea for my family.
I sweep the backyard.
I sweep the backyard.
I bake a butter cake.
I bake a butter cake.
I make pizza.
I make pizza.
I chop the wood.
I chop the wood.
I collect the eggs.
I collect the eggs.
I work in the garden.
I work in garden.
I wash the car.
I wash the car.
I weed the garden.
I weed the garden.
Today we learned some household chores with simple sentences. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.